This is the magic. Now on the count of 3, we're going to complete a circuit of electricity, a circuit of completion, okay? On the count of 3, I want you to touch, but don't look at your fingers, I want you to look right at the bulb and watch it light, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Man, how you do that?
Thumb. Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, let go. Just hold the metal part. Put your finger up just like that. Watch. Bring it in towards mine. Very slow, very slow. Touch my finger. Very slow. Watch this. And
That's right.
Can you see the corner in there?
Do it again, man. Can you do it again?
Watch.
Ooh.
Can you see it in there? Look, I don't even want to touch. Look. You can actually get your quarter out of there. Make sure it's
Oh, the quarter's in here?
inside the bag.
Yeah.
Look.